global. We global now. We made it.
We done been around the world, seen a lot of girls. Started off local, now we global. And baby, we the best, we the best. See, we do it for the hood, make it understood. We bought that paper, and we global. And baby, we the best, we the best.
I'm Steve Riley, one of the co-founders of Global Experiences, an international education organization that provides customized professional work experience for college students and recent graduates. Through a comprehensive career development program and over 10 years working in cities around the world, we provide life-changing experiences for thousands of young professionals looking to gain an edge in life. I want to take a moment to tell you a bit about our organization, how we work, and what we can do to navigate your successful transition into the professional world. Our global internship programs are designed to get you out of the classroom and into a professional environment where you can apply your academic knowledge in a practical context while learning new skills to make you competitive in an increasingly globalized economy. Immersion in a real-world work environment away from home and out of the classroom raises self-awareness and confidence as you prepare to move into the next phase of your life. Of course, this isn't all about work. We want you to have some fun while you're abroad. So as part of our program, we provide social events, usually on a weekly basis, sometimes on a bi-weekly basis, excursions and some other activities that can really help you have some fun with your fellow participants and to immerse you in that local culture so you can make the most of that experience. What we don't do is put you in a bubble and walk you around Sydney or Florence or Dublin like a tour group. That's not what Global Experiences is. What we try to do is provide you with an independent experience so that you can live a life of your own in a foreign place, getting practical work experience, but also while providing you some social construct that you can plug into and feel like you're part of something that's familiar throughout. We provide you enough support, 24/7 emergency support, and everything else you need to really feel safe and secure while you're in that environment, but we think it's important that you make the most of your experience. Here at Global Experiences, we have something called a stacks analogy. Everybody's in this stack to start with. Imagine there's 100 people that are going for a job opportunity that you're going for. 30 of them might have a university degree. 10 of them may have some practical work experience in that degree field. 5 of them happen to do that work experience in, say, Paris, France, or Sydney, Australia. And 1 or 2 of them happen to have some French language skills or some Italian language skills that look very attractive on your resume. If you were the employer, who would you want to interview? Once you enroll in one of our programs, we immediately turn you over to one of our career development advisors who is going to help you work on your resume and your cover letter, interview preparation, setting SMART goals, learning objectives going into your experience so you have something that you can measure from the beginning through the end of your experience so that you can demonstrate some of the skills that you learned, not just the tasks that you did. At this point, we also put you through a little bit of a tough love program to help you form appropriate expectations of what you're going to experience in the workplace and in your life while you're living away from home and out of the classroom. This is really designed to help you raise your game and build your confidence going into this experience so that you can make the most of it. We learn a bit about your academic background, your career objectives and goals, your language proficiency if you're thinking about going to a non-native speaking destination. And generally what we're trying to do is get a sense of who you are so we can find the right experience for you abroad. Once we work through all the details of your program, your internship, and all of the other components that I've already touched upon, it's time to go. It's time to get on the plane and go somewhere and have some fun. So once you arrive in country, our location representatives on the ground are going to receive you and help you check into your accommodations. We do an on-site orientation just to familiarize you with the city that you're in and the program that you're in. You get to meet a lot of your other fellow participants and start to form some of those bonds that you're going to have over the next 2 to 3 to 4 months of your life. We stay in constant contact with you throughout your experience. We have office hours on the ground, so you always have access to one of our staff members, be it on the ground there or here at our offices. We always have a supervisor at the place of business that you're going to be working, so somebody who's directly responsible and accountable to you for the experience that you're having, in addition to, of course, 24/7 emergency access to any of us at Global Experiences throughout. So now it's your turn. Get out of your comfort zone. Do something remarkable, something extraordinary. You won't regret it.